In this video, I'll show you how to change the default file download location in Google Chrome. By default, Chrome saves everything to your Downloads folder, but maybe you want them to go somewhere else. Or even better, to the location each time you download a file. This option is perfect if you download a lot of email attachments or just want to stay organized. All right, let's dive into Chrome and see how to do it. First, open Google Chrome. Go to the top right corner and click the three dots. From the drop-down, select Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click the Downloads tab. Here's the setting you're looking for. By default, all downloaded files go to the Downloads folder. If you want to change that folder, just click Change and choose a new location. If you'd rather pick a location every time you download something, simply toggle on the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. That's it. Once you've made your choice, you can close the Settings tab and you're all set. So there you have it, a super simple but time-saving Chrome setting that helps you stay organized. Now, instead of moving files around later, you can choose exactly where they go right away. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.